Welcome to Algebra Wonder videos. Today we're going to learn about combine like term. So what is like terms and how can we combine them? So this is a real life story. Actually, we do combine like term, but whatever you define like term. So in real life, this is green apple and this is green apples. We can just combine them. We have 3 and then we have 7, so we have 10 green apples. We define the green apple to be like term. But what about mathematics? Okay, so let us see what like term is in math. So like terms that have the same variable and same exponent. Okay, so 4 and 6, both of them constant numbers, just the numbers, so you can combine them. 4 plus 6 is 10. 3xy and xy, so here we have to keep an eye on that. So we have x and y, so and also we have x and y, same variable, and the power here is 1 for both of them, so they have the same, the two term has the same variable, same power, you can combine them. What else? Negative 6x and 10y, same variable x and same power 1. What else? 7y square and 5y square, so the variable is y and the exponent 2, same thing for the other term. The variable is y and the exponent 2. So it must have the same variable and same power. What else? 2/3 b and 0.9 b. So you can combine them. Even this fraction, this decimal, you still can combine them. You know, they have the same variable, which is b, and the same exponent, which is 1. Okay, let's see what is not like term. Because remember, what is like term first? Must have what? In mathematics, we agree that like term is same variable and same exponent. So here we go. 7y squared and 5y. So yes, both of them has a variable y, but the exponent of the y is not the same. This is y squared, the exponent is 2. And this is just y, the exponent is 1. So these two terms not like term. What else? 5x squared and 11x to the 3rd power. So again, we have the same variable x and x, but here the exponent is 2, and this x has the exponent 3, so they're not like term. So don't get confused about this. Must have the same variable and same power, same exponent. Okay, so let's see how can we combine that. You know, you can just add and subtract how we added the green apples, the same thing, you know. So here we go. We have 2 ball and a ball. You can just add them up. 2 ball and a ball is 3 balls. Okay, so you can actually just add the coefficient. What is the coefficient here is 2. What is the coefficient here is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 what? 3 balls. Okay, so that's how we combine them. So if we change the ball and put it x, X-ray machine, any x, you know, same thing. So 3x and 2x. We have 3 of the x's, x and x and x. And then we have 2 more of x's. So how many we have total now? We have 5 x's. So you can just add the coefficient. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 what? 5x. What about if it's a constant? 4 plus 2. 4. So you have to really understand what does constant mean. 4 is just 4 ones. 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. And what is 2? 1 and 1. So I'm just adding constant. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, let's see an example here. How can we combine that? 3x plus 2 plus x plus 3. So first you look for the like terms. So I have 3x and 1x. So again, we usually hide the 1 here. Like when you say chair, 1 is chair. So same thing. 1x here is just x. So 3x and another x. Here we go. 3x and another x, which is 4x. So have the same variable x, same power. And then we have 2, which is constant, and another 3 constant. So here we go. 2 ones and 3 ones, which is 5 ones. That's it. 5. Now it's 4x plus 5. That's it. That's how you combine it. Okay. Let's see what happens if we have a negative numbers, because students really get confused when you see minus. So remember, adding a negative is subtraction. When you add a negative number, it's the same as subtraction. So when I see negative 2x, is just I'm adding a negative 2x. When you see minus 3, I'm just adding a negative 3. So you can think about it like that. You know, adding a negative is just subtraction. So now let us see what we have. We have 3x and negative 2x. Okay, so I have 3 positive x's and 2 negative x's. So an x and negative x is opposite number. They eliminate each other because you add them to 0. X and negative x is 0. So we have left what? 1x. So you can do it right away. I have 3x and negative 2x, which is 1x. Okay, what about the constants here? So I have 1 and negative 3. So I have 1 positive and negative 1 3 times. Okay, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. So again, positive 1 and negative 1, it's a number and it's the opposite. It's 0. You add them up to 0, so they eliminate each other. So we have negative 2 left. So it's x plus negative 2. Now, here we go. Adding a negative subtraction, you can just write it like that. X minus 2. Okay. So let's see here. It's going to be your time to do the algebra wonder. I know you can't wait for it. So what is the perimeter of this rectangle? Perimeter when you add all the sides up. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? And can you figure out the value of this variable x? So go ahead and share your thinking with your classmate, with your parent, with your family, and don't forget to share it in the chat, in the comment. Thank you.